as a mother, face exercises not only helped improve my skin, but also reduce the bloating, or I should say puffiness, in my face. So I'm going to show you a quick tutorial, 5 minutes, that you can do daily to reduce that face bloating. So here we go. Make sure you have clean hands and a tea of your preference or water. Now, I will say that consistency is key. That's it. That's all I'll say. Consistency is key. First, we start with an armpit massager. Raise your left hand up towards the ceiling, and if you have any trouble lifting, just lift it off to the side, and then you're going to press your thumb into the armpit, into the middle, and go into circles. Throughout your whole practice, shoulders are staying relaxed, and you're breathing in and out through your nose. Now move all the way up. So from the middle, you're just moving one thumb up, and then you're going all the way down below where you were in the middle. And don't forget to do the opposite side. So same thing, thumb in the middle, circle, and then. Now, I am going with you through one set, and you can do 3 sets of each exercise. This is called an armpit massager. Next, we're just going into a simple Platysma massage, which is the muscle that runs from the neck down to the chest. So with your 4 fingers starting with the left side, you're just going to do a circle-like motion towards the shoulder, and then do the opposite side. And again, shoulders stay relaxed. If your feet are not grounded onto the floor, ground them. On this next one, instead of going towards the shoulder, we're going to go slightly up. So I would say we're going towards the tip of the shoulder. And the same thing with this one. Very important to release in these areas to warm up before we hit the other, we target the other facial muscles. Now, we're going into a relaxing glow. This is a full face yoga exercise that you could do every single day. Create knuckles, index and middle finger are going to be the main characters here. And you're going to press right next to the nostril. Now, when we are going along, we are going to be at the edge of the bone. So here at the edge, and then when we hit the jaw line, we're going to hit the jaw line, and then we're going to move all the way up and into the forehead too. So knuckles here, press, pressure of a 4 or a 5, and lift when you get to the hairline. And you don't have to go fast how I'm going. You can take your time. But here I'm just showing you, if you were in a hurry, this is how it would look. Come to the chin. Now same thing, knuckles, and then thumb is pressing underneath. So just go along the face line, how we call it in face yoga. Breathe. Last one. And then we move along. So instead of the knuckles facing up towards the eyes, they're facing in towards the nostril. So here we're just going to do 3 times, and then we're going to smoothen, lift. Same thing. And on the third one, it's going to look different because we're going to open the hands and just glide like a feather, and then let the hands slide down. Breathe in, breathe out. Notice how that feels. It's already you're feeling some new sensitivities there. Last thing we're doing is we're going to do an eye-opening binocular, sorry. And when we create this C shape and place it right at the eyebrow crease and then around the eye socket, we are going to actually, not the eye socket, sorry. The cheekbone is, we're going to open. Now, this is not what I want to see. That is not what I'm asking, is maybe a pressure of a 1 or 2 over the skin and then opening slightly. Now you're going to open the eyes, relax the shoulders, and squint. Open the eyes. And this squint is very subtle. Do it one more time. Open. Make sure the forehead is relaxed. Squint. Close. Bring the hands down. Breathe in and breathe out. Just do some gentle tapping. And that is your 5-minute slim face tutorial. Make sure you drink lots of water because we did do a little bit of lymphatic drainage. And if you want more of this, link is in my bio for our community. We do have live classes every single week. And stay tuned for the 40-day detox and glow coming right up for you. It consists of not only face yoga, but also nutrition and also some mind shifts. So all in one for you. See you soon.